अब मैं मसीरा फातिमा को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूँगी, वो आए अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करें। पेपर दो
Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Masira Fatima. Today India is celebrating the 76th Independence Day. The military parade will be done by our respected soldiers. It is indeed an eye-catching event broadcasted in the entire country and watched by millions of Indian citizens. I am a proud Indian to be born in an independent India, and therefore we must not forget the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Country-wide celebration of this day should not be just be about a holiday. Watching a patriotic movie on the television, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Sukhdev, Begum Hazrat Mahal and many more dreamed for free India and fought for it till their last breath. After the Constitution went into action on 26 January 1950, every citizen was given the rights and responsibilities. For example, the right to vote was immediately every Indian citizen, whereas it took 150 years for America to give the same to India has achieved a lot after its independence. We all have witnessed the greatest events of all time, making us proud citizens of this country. Green Revolution, strengthening the Indian Army, surgical strikes, and many more revolutionary events were witnessed by Indians. India is the only country where people of different religions, caste, language stay together happily under one roof. This unity in diversity will not be seen anywhere in the world. India is celebrating the 76th Independence Day. We cannot overlook the challenges we are facing like corruption, poverty, pollution and much more. However, with the bold youth generation, revolution are being witnessed. Hopefully this will bring positive changes in the coming years. Now I end my speech by saying that no matter how often I celebrate my country's accomplishments, there will always be less. Our nation is our motherland and we should always be grateful and for all we have received from it. And now I conclude my speech by saying that we should all show unity and togetherness. Together only we can make our country great. Jai Hind.